Hi, welcome to the Capital Region Skinny from the Greater Capital Association of Realtors, where we dig into the most recent numbers from our market. We hope you enjoy the splendor of the housing market theater. I'll be your host for tonight's award ceremony. If you're searching for Sugarman on how to survive a market recovery at 0 Dark 30, just open your heart, read the Silver Linings playbook, rearrange your Lincoln logs, and redemption will come to your life of pie. Now that you're thoroughly confused, let's roll out the red carpet and take some snapshots of the numbers. Homebuyers rushed toward open houses and closing tables like beasts of the southern wild, stampeding toward an oasis in the desert. Buyers entered into 629 purchase agreements, 17.4% more than January 2012. That's the highest number of January pending since 2007, marking a 6-year high. Inventory levels are dwindling like the time available for an acceptance speech. The number of homes for sale dropped 14.3% to 6,612 active listings. It's official. The low inventory award goes to Albany, with the lowest inventory levels for any month in 5.5 years, or since June 2007. Local buyers and sellers will actually benefit more from this award if inventory begins to level off. This is the 14th straight month of year-over-year inventory declines. And the best motion picture goes to median sales price, which has seen year-over-year gains for 12 consecutive months. The median sales price most recently was up 3.7% to $180,000. That's the highest January median sales price in 5 years. Strong demand in the higher-priced single-family and new construction segments have helped, so has shrinking supply. Ladies and gentlemen of the Academy, we're now down to 9 months' supply of inventory, and sellers received 91.5% of their list price, on average. These patterns showcase how common multiple offers have become and how buyer competition has increased. Record low interest rates won't last forever. Oh gosh, who to thank? This is so unexpected. We'd like to thank the economy for slowly but surely adding jobs. We'd like to thank homeowners for believing in their communities and in the American dream. We also want to thank the Realtor community for providing the expertise and advocacy that helped us get here. And, oh gosh, who else? Finally, we'd like to thank Washington for avoiding the fiscal cliff. Oh, and the Eurozone in the upper deck for not disintegrating. You know who you are. Thank you all. That's the Capital Region Skinny for this month. Check back next month for the latest.